Want to pull that up? This one here? Whoa! Just give him a little time.
That's a big guy. That's a big guy.
Sit here. 37 inches. 24 minutes.
That's a big boy. That's a big
Oh,
boy.
there he goes. It threw more people into the. There, no, it's on. Go ahead and pull that. You reel that in. So it's on? Yeah, it's on. Go ahead, just don't realize. That's a crowd.
Raise it up and then you know how to do that stuff. You kind of like let it out a little bit and you keep.
You pull it up and then you let it down and you let it. Pull it up. And you let it. Oh, it's on this one too. Shoot. Oh, it's hot. Well, that's okay. That's okay. Perfect. Work out.
Under the boat.
Very good. Just keep it going. I'll get this one up all the way. Well, that has no bait on it anyway. There you go. You're doing good. Pretty good size one. I'm going to stop this so I don't get into the motor. Okay, here you go.
I'm gonna scooch behind you there, back here.
Pull the line on. If they're really big, that way they won't break the line. Hold it, you want to reel it. Pull it up and then reel down. This is a good size one. Okay, and it's really ripping off the off. Oh, yeah, there it is.
He's fighting you.
Okay, you don't have to keep reeling. Just pull it up. Oh, there he is. That's a nice one. Oh, whoa.
Oh my god.
Sorry, bud. Okay. It's okay, you're fine. Just let it sit. Put it off. Just stay right there. You don't have to lift them up. Let it go. Let's just keep them tight. Fine. He's tired now. Just let him run around for a little bit. Just keep him there. Okay, good. Got it on? Play right into it. You're fine. Put that bad. Well, don't put that up yet. Put that up there. Oh. Oh man, caught it on the side. The grill.
Oh
And
no.
that came out. No, it's fine. But that's why it's swimming so hard. Oh,
Because he was almost about to.
And also, there's a hand in there and look for the top. Take 2 hands. Perfect. Get a picture of it.
Look at me. 1, 2, 3.
That's it for now. See you later.